How to use sketch effect in Picsart. Want to turn a photo into a hand-drawn masterpiece? Let's apply the sketch effect in Picsart. First, open your image and go to the Effects tab. Scroll through categories and tap Sketch. You'll see several sketch variations like Classic, Outline, and Crosshatch. Try each to preview. Once you pick a style, adjust intensity, direction, and detail label using the sliders for a personalized look. Combine it with background blur or a solid color to make the sketch pop even more. When it looks just right, click export and save your artistic creation. Ever tried sketching by hand? How does this compare? Let me know in the comments below. High contrast photos work best, especially portraits and objects with clear outlines. And that's how you can use sketch effect in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.